Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie. Thank you so much for clicking that button and visiting my channel once again. Oh my god, you guys, look at my eyes. I'm totally obsessed with this palette that I just bought. This is definitely not something I do on an everyday basis, but it's something fun. I love creating fun looks. It's definitely not ideal for me, but when I get a chance to create looks like this, it gives me life, you know what I mean? So if you guys want to see what palette I am talking about, and also there is a new foundation that I am using, so if you guys want to see that as well, keep on watching. Alright guys, so before I start with anything at all, I want to tell you guys what I picked up from Ulta the other day, and I'm super excited and I can't wait to try them. Alright, so this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. Finally, I was able to get my hands on the shade F10. Hopefully, this is a good shade for me. If not, I'm kind of screwed because they only sell, I believe, the F10.5 online. And I'm just hoping that this works out for me, or I'm just gonna make the damn thing work. Also, I picked up this right here. This is the Morphe 35V palette. So excited because when I purchased the Mood palette, which I had no idea that came out, I saw this on a display and there were none left. So I was like kind of bummed, but you know what? I'm so excited because I was able to get the last one. Actually, both of these were the last ones in the Ulta store. I actually called ahead of time, so she held this one for me. And I just got lucky with the Morphe palette, so I'm so excited to use this. Alright, so as you can see, I already filled in my brows to save us some time. I don't think I need to say that anymore, but it just, you know, I did that. I cleaned them up a little bit, and now I'm gonna go in with tape today. So I'm just gonna grab a little tape, and now I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is a Morphe M441, and I'm gonna go in with the shade, I'm gonna go in with Seduced, this shade right here. I'm going to apply that onto the crease, just like that. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and it's called Tryst. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. The shade is called Bad Boy, and I'm going to take my tapered blending brush. It's an E40. And I'm just going to apply that right here on the outer V. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the shade Crush, which is this shimmery purple right here. And I'm grabbing my Anastasia double-sided brush that comes with the palettes. And I'm just going to start applying that right here towards the middle of the eyelid. This shade is so pretty. Alright, you know what? I'm actually going to apply that all over the lid. Oh my god, you guys, this is just looking amazing. I'm gonna go back in with Seduced and Tryst, and I'm just gonna darken up here. And also bring it to the inner corner, just diffusing it also. Just like that. Oh my god, it looks just so amazing. Oh my god, you guys, like, can we take a second? Like, look how amazing this looks. All right, so now I'm gonna grab a little bit of the I think I'm gonna grab a little bit of this black shade right here. This is called Little Black Book. And I'm gonna grab this brush right here. This is a Morphe 321 brush. And I'm just going to add a little bit, like a liner with this. Alright, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this blue shade up here. This one is called Room for Two. And I'm going to add that on the purple. So I'm going to grab some of this and add it right here over top. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I'm just playing with the shades that I have, and I don't know, but we're going to come out with something beautiful. Don't you guys worry. Oh my god, this looks so good. I'm going to go back in with that purple, which is Crush. Oh wow, this looks beautiful. You guys, tell me that does not like make you feel a type of way right now, because it's making me feel so tingly inside, not gonna lie. Love, love, love purple and blue together. Just looks so good. All right, so now that I'm done removing the tape, I'm gonna go in with a Neutrogena wipe, and I'm just going to remove all of, you know, extra shadow that I see, you know, the fallout and all that good stuff. But look how beautiful that looks. You guys, tell me it doesn't look so freaking good. And also I added the black, so it looks like I have some liner on there. Oh, I'm dying. Like, I just can't. Oh my god. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to the face because I'm so excited to see everything together. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. I'm also gonna go in with my Pore Filler Primer from NYX. As you guys know, I cannot not apply a pore filler primer. All right, guys, foundation, it's finally here. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the shade F10. You guys already know this is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I'm going to apply it. It reminds me of my Rimmel London foundation because it has the Dofa applicator, which I'm not mad at. I don't know how much to apply, but I'm going to apply as much as I feel like right now because I don't know. All right, so I'm going to just apply this much right now. I'm going to go in with my damp Real Techniques sponge, and I'm just gonna start blending. This is really full coverage, you guys. Like, crazy. Crazy, crazy. And it's only $12. Like, wow. I don't think this is like an everyday foundation. I don't know. For me, I think this is like too full coverage, but you never know. I may just start using this every day. All right, so moving on to concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline. I'm gonna go in with the shade 25. And I'm also going to apply some of the shade number 20. And I'm also going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend it out. All right, so now moving on to contour. I love switching it up, so I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. All right, so to blend this out, I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques contour brush. To blend out my nose, I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics brush. All right, and I'm also gonna go in with my Real Technique sponge and just go over everything. All right, to set my under eye, I'm gonna go in with my RCMA powder and my Kat Von D Shade and Light double-sided brush and just set my under eye. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. All right, now I'm gonna go back and finish off the eyes. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Seduced and Tryst. Alright guys, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going to apply some lashes and I'm going to do that off camera, so I will be right back. Alright guys, so I applied my lashes. I also applied some of this liner from Rimmel, I think it was. Yeah, this is from Rimmel and this is in the shade Plum. I also applied a little bit of mascara and I used the L'Oreal Telescopic in Carbon Black, I believe, or actually Blackest Black. And now I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. Highlighter I'm using is the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. And I'm gonna use a fan brush today. I'm gonna go in with Moonstone and Summer. These are my favorite ones. These are like my go-to highlights. Oh yeah, that's awesome. You can never go wrong with these. Going to apply some on the Cupid's bow. Alright, so now for lips, I'm gonna go in with the lip liner from MAC in the shade Whirl. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with Blankety from MAC. I'm gonna add a little bit of this lipstick from MAC also in the shade Myrrh. Alright, so now for the last step is setting spray, and this one is the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I am absolutely obsessed with that palette from Morphe, the 35V palette. Amazing. I can't even explain how stunning, and it's called Stunning Vibes for a reason. Like, it is freaking stunning. The shades in this palette, like, look, the purples and the blues together, amazing, you guys. And they blend out so nicely. They apply really nice on the lid. They are very pigmented and really easy to blend, which is really nice for a really dark and matte shade. Really awesome. The shimmer shades just as well. There is barely any fallout. They have a lot of fun shades to work with, and I can't wait to create more looks. Now the foundation. The foundation is very matte. I have issues right here in these areas. I definitely have to use some type of hydrating primer. So I usually do, but this time I didn't. I wanted to see how it would work with just my pore filling primer, but I did use one, and I just wanted to see how it would work if I would just use that one primer. But now looking at it, it is a very matte foundation that I have to use a hydrating one as well, because right here I'm starting to see some of my lines right here, my smile lines. It's starting to, like, it looks dry, you know, in this area, but everything else, you guys, it looks really good. But like, this area right here is my problematic area, as I've mentioned a couple times in my videos, so it's not surprising. But really good coverage, amazing coverage. So if you are looking for a heavy duty coverage foundation, this foundation is definitely it. It's so affordable, $12 at Ulta, and also, like, I really do like it. I mean, if that's the only issue that I have, also, you know, maybe applying a little bit of setting, like spray, like my Mario Badescu setting spray. Actually, that's not even a setting spray, it's like a facial spray. So using that type of facial spray would also help the foundation not look so dry. But I really like it. It feels really comfortable on the skin. The amount of foundation that I applied was enough. Like, it was the perfect amount. It doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel crazy dry, it doesn't feel like my face is cracking, and it's very comfortable. So I definitely recommend it. In my opinion, I feel like the shade is pretty decent, and I'm not mad at it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.